How to install your Colorex Plus basic floor. What do we need? Cutter, carpenter's square, hacksaw, laser, hammer, pencil, folding ruler, gloves. Further information is available on the Forbo flooring site. Use the QR code on the product label to access. Check the materials for the same batch and color number to avoid color differences. Also, check if the right quantity is received. The batch number is clearly marked on the material packaging and must be checked before commencement of installation. General advice: the laying area should be at a steady temperature of minimum 18 degrees Celsius for 48 hours prior to, during, and for 24 hours after installation. The materials should be conditioned in the same environment for at least 24 hours prior to the installation. Stack the Colorex Plus on the floor in piles of maximum 20 tiles. With the laser or the marker, define the orthogonal directions. Begin laying tiles at the starting point. During the installation, use the hammer to connect the tiles firmly. Now complete the installation. Measure the space to the wall, transferring the measurement to the tile before cutting it. Leave enough space to the wall. Cut the tiles using the hacksaw. Lay remaining tiles to complete the installation. Ventilated skirtings are available when raised humidity comes from the subfloor. Ramps are available to facilitate the access. Connect them to the floor using adhesive tape in the inferior part, then secure them with a welding rod. The complete installation should be cleared of scrap material and debris. The floor swept or vacuumed and any traces of adhesive residues removed. Now the floor is ready to be used.